Yes, Caterpillar have on a global basis announced agreement to acquire Bucyrus for $8.6 billion. And this provides us with a huge opportunity to broaden the product line which we offer to the mining industry across both surface mining and underground mining. And that opportunity is likely to provide us with increased opportunities for revenue in terms of new equipment sales, but also the aftermarket opportunity for parts and service revenues. Well, we've announced the intention to acquire the remaining 50% of our Caterpillar dealership in Russia, which comprises eastern and western Siberia, but also the Russian Far East. So it's a very large geographic territory, but it also supplies equipment into what is a very mineral-rich part of the world in terms of coal, gold, iron ore, diamonds, nickel, and therefore longer term provides an enormous opportunity for us to sell incremental equipment and also, of course, the parts and service revenues that follow. Power supply in South Africa is likely to be constrained, particularly over the 2011 and 2012 years as Eskom ramps up its incremental capacity generation. And we think that will provide opportunities for us to sell our Caterpillar power gensets into electric power generation opportunities, both standby and prime power. We're building a power station in Namibia at the moment called Nampower, to Nampower, which is a 25 megawatt power station. But also we see big opportunities in marine and petroleum, particularly off the west coast of Africa and also in our Russian business. Yes, on heavy construction, we saw a ramp up in activity in the period leading up to the World Cup soccer with the stadium builds and car train and so on. But it's been in a relatively slow phase post-World Cup. We think that's going to continue at least for 2011 and possibly into 2012. But beyond that, I think urbanization trends and growth trends across sub-Saharan Africa means that there will be a resurgence in infrastructure activity, and I think we are well placed to service that when it materializes. Yes, our working capital trend has been very favorable the last 2 years through the down cycle. This year we generated 2.3 billion rands worth of cash, and our net debt came down by about 3 billion. As the cycle turns, we'll start to have to rebuild working capital levels to meet future demand, and that we probably plan from the first quarter in 2011.